How to apply for the Lowe credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll explain how to apply for Lowe credit card. So be sure to watch the video until the very end. Now first of all, you have to start by opening your preferred web browser and type in lowe.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then it will take you to the official website of Lowe. From where you need to first click on the credit card icon from the home page and choose the card you want, such as the Lowe Advantage or the Business Report card. And once you've selected the specific card, click on the Apply Now button that is highlighted in blue color. Then fill in your information, which should include your full name, your address, your phone number, your email address, your social security number, correct form of your date of birth, employment details, income and financial information as well. Make sure your credit score is in good shape, and after you enter your details, read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then review your application before submitting it. Lowe will review your application and will either approve or deny it. If approved, they will mail the card to the address you provided, and if you prefer to apply in-store, you can fill out the paper application within the same information and give it to the store associate. So that's all there is to it. This is how you're going to apply for the Lowe credit card. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.